How to save battery on iPhone 17. This is my iPhone 17 and I'm going to show you how to save battery on the iPhone. So first of all, what we want to do is reduce brightness. Most of the people set their brightness to max and it is really unnecessary, and in the long term it's going to hurt your eyes. So keep it at a level that you actually need it. The next thing you want to do is turn off background app refresh. Now for that you want to go to settings, and in settings go down till you see general. In general, scroll down further till you see background app refresh. So here you can see it is currently turned off. If you select Wi-Fi or turn it off, it is actually going to save you some battery. So what this essentially does is load content in the background using Wi-Fi and or mobile data. So this is going to refresh the application in the background using your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now this is battery consuming and it is also unnecessary in my opinion. So you can just turn that off. Now, the iPhone 17 or most of the modern iPhones have an OLED display. What does that mean? It means that if you're on a darker display, if something is showing, the pixels that are just showing the content are actually active. That means the rest of the display is actually turned off. What adds to the advantage is that you use a dark theme. So to change the theme, you want to go to settings. In settings, scroll down till you see display and brightness, and in that, make sure it is dark. Now that it is dark, all the content you see on the screen are actually active pixels. All the dark pixels are actually turned off. So that part of the display is turned off, and that is going to save you some battery definitely. The fourth and the last thing you do is turn on low power. So to do that, you have an icon over here. It is going to turn on low power mode. If not, you can also go to settings and do the same. In settings, you can see we have a battery option over here. And here you can see we have power mode. Click on that and you can turn on low power mode. Alternatively, you can just add it to your action center right over here by pressing plus. So that is very helpful. You can just toggle it on and off accordingly. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.